Hey there, maths enthusiast! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore some fundamental concepts that can make understanding numbers a whole lot easier, the ascending and descending order of integers and the importance of absolute value in these processes. Have you ever wondered how to arrange numbers from smallest to largest, or how negative numbers come into play? Or maybe you have heard of absolute value but aren't quite sure that it means or why it matters. Well, you are in the right place. We will break it all down step by step with clear examples and easy to follow explanations. By the end of the video, you will be sorting numbers like a pro and have a solid grasp of how absolute value work in real life. Ascending and descending order of integers is very simple. As we all know, ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to greatest, and descending order means arranging numbers from greatest to smallest. I have already made a complete video of integers where I have explained that integers are all positive and negative numbers without decimal numbers and fractions. Link of the video is provided in the description. Now look at this 0. As we move toward right side of the 0, the value of the number increases. And as we move to the left side of the 0, the value of each number decreases. For example, this -1 is greater than -2, and this -2 is greater than -3, and so on. So it's clear that towards the negative side as the number increases but its value decreases. This is exercise 2.2 question number 1, where we have to arrange these integers in the ascending order. As I told you that in number line, as we move towards right side of the zeros, the value of each integer increases, and towards the left side they are all negative integers. As we move towards left side, their value decreases. Keeping this point of view in our mind, we can arrange the given numbers in ascending order. First of all, look at all the negative integers. The smallest integer is -7 and the greatest integer is +4. Now we can easily arrange them in ascending order like this. Starting from the negative integers, then 0, and then positive integers, we can easily arrange any number in ascending order. This is again exercise 2.2 question number 1 part 2, and we have to arrange these numbers or integers in ascending orders. We have negative integers and positive integers. The smallest among them is -6 and the greatest among them is 17. Arranging from negative to positive, we can have our ascending order of integers. Keep in mind that the value of all negative integers decreases as the number increases. It means -6 is smaller than -3, and -3 is smaller than -1, and -1 is smaller than 0. This is exercise 2.2 question number 2 part 1, and here we have to arrange the integers in descending order, and descending order means arranging numbers from greatest to smallest. Here we will start from the positive integers instead of negative integers, because all the positive integers have a greater value as compared to the negative integers. So here the greatest number is 16 and the smallest number is -4. Arranging them in descending order like this. After getting through the ascending and descending order of integers, now we have another concept of absolute value or numerical value of integers. As you all know, on the number line, there are some numbers on the right side of the 0 which are positive integers, and some numbers are on the left side of the 0 which are negative integers. Absolute value or numerical value is its distance from 0 on the number line, and it is always positive or 0. It means absolute value of any number is the distance of that number from the 0. For example, if a boy is standing at the number -6, now it is 6 times away from the 0, but its absolute value is always positive, so the absolute value of -6 will be 6. For more detail of this concept, now look at this picture. Here we have 0 and this 3 is 3 points or 3 units away from the 0. So the absolute value of this negative 3 is positive 3. And here on the right side of the 0 there is always a positive integer, so there will be no difference on the absolute or numerical value of the digits on the right side of the 0. Absolute value is represented by these two vertical lines, and after this negative sign will be converted to positive sign, and that would be the absolute value of the given number. Now let's learn how to write the absolute or numerical value of different numbers. This is exercise 2.2 question number 3. The first number is negative 45. First of all, we will put two vertical lines on each side of the number, and then we will remove this negative sign and write the number with positive sign. If you don't write any sign, it is obvious that the number is positive. The next number is 3, putting that vertical lines and then writing the numerical value, that is 3. Negative 209, putting the vertical lines, and the absolute value will be 209. The absolute value of 0 is 0. The numerical value of 2830 with negative sign will be positive 2813, and the numerical value of negative 501 will be positive 501. This is exercise 2.2 question number 4 part 1. Here we will arrange the absolute value of integers, not only the integers but their absolute value in the ascending order. First of all, we will find the absolute value or numerical value of each digit. After finding the absolute values of each digit, now we have all positive digits. Now it is very easy to arrange the positive integers in their ascending order like this. Keep in mind that absolute value represents the distance of each digit from 0. This is the last question of exercise 2.2. Now we have to arrange all the numbers in descending order, but we have to find out first their absolute or numerical values. Finding the numerical value of each digit, now we can arrange easily in their descending order, and as you know, descending order means arranging numbers from greatest to smallest, so this is the correct arrangement. I hope you understood the concept, and if you have understood, write understood or got it in the comment section. It was the most interesting and easy topic, and I hope you can easily try these questions now. Absolute value of a number is the distance from 0 on a number line. Another name of absolute value is numerical value. Absolute value of negative 10 is positive 10. Absolute values is represented by two vertical bars. Absolute value of negative 9 is positive 9, which is greater, negative 8 or negative 9, negative 8. The numerical value of negative 345 is 345. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to Maths Guide. Click on the bell icon for timely notifications, and don't forget to like and share the video.